Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve a small error that you might be facing if you're a beginner and started coding in Java in Eclipse. So the error is could not load or find the main class demo. So okay, we have created a class and if you are trying to run, so you're getting this error. Okay, so how to solve? Click on the project name, right click and click on a build path. Go to the configure build path and you can see here there is a class paths. Okay, so first select the JRE system library and remove it, and again click on class path and click on add library, and you can see JRE system library. Click next and there is a alternate JRE, so tick mark alternate JRE. Click on finish and apply and close. Okay, so you can see the error is gone and now you can run the program. If you are facing any other error, so I will show you that how you can simply start a Java project. So I will delete this project here. Okay, and I will create a new Java project. Let's name uh, demo. Okay, now your selection, there is a option JRE and you have to select any one of the. So because of you have selected use and execution environment JRE, so that's why you was getting an error. So here you can directly tick use default JRE and workspace compiler preference. Okay, and click on next and click on finish. Okay, so directly you have created a JRE. Now click on source and create another class. Let's say hello class, hello dot java. Let's click on a public static void main, finish it, and you can see here that no error is there. And like, let's run the program. So okay, so directly you can see that my program ran successfully without any error. So this was a small tutorial, you can see. So for more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.